How to use Hotjar, a beginner tutorial. So Hotjar is a website behavior analytics tool that will help you see how visitors actually use your site through heat maps, recordings, surveys, and feedback tools. So if you want to go ahead and start, of course, you can open up any browser you prefer and search for Hotjar. From there, you can enter the website and choose the Get Started option here or wherever you find this Get Started button. So now we're going to be creating an account. You could either put in your email or you could continue with Google. You also have this option over here if you don't want them to send product updates, event news, or any relevant offers. But after that, you can then create your profile. So your role, your organization's name, and how many employees work at your organization. Then, where you want to track the insights, enter the URL or IP address for this project. It could be your entire site, a product section, and the name of this project. If you want, you can select what you want to understand with Content Square. So you have options, and if you'd like, you can choose this over here if none of these needs will suit your situation. And then you can start with any of these places. You got the funnel, session replays, heat maps, voice of customers, and web performance. You'll see what they specifically do right at the bottom of the places you want to start with. So let's say heat maps. See where users click, move, and scroll to find hidden issues or improvements. You'll be directed inside heat maps of your dashboard, and you will also have a tutorial on how to set this up in your website. Same with the other options, the funnel, session replay, web performance, and voice of customer. There's also plans you can take a look at if you want additional features. You got the free option, of course, which you start with, growth, and pro. And the price for pro is apparently something you're gonna have to talk about. So you can book a call if you'd like. So for beginners, the best option you have is simple. You can install Hotjar, collect data for a few days, check heat maps and recordings, find problems like the ignored buttons of your website or confusing sections. Then you can improve your page and compare the results again. So Hotjar is now part of Content Square, but the core purpose is still the same, understanding user behavior so you can improve your website experience. But that is pretty much the general idea on how this website or tool works. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.